press somewhere on the front of the phone and the speaker reconnects. Press harder, you get a better connection. Let off, goes away, it gets scratchy, comes and goes. I talked to the service person, or the Republic Health person. She wanted the phone rebooted and cache reset. I tried those things. Surprisingly, the manufacturing defect still remains. This is not a software issue. This is a manufacturing defect on the phone. Oh, see? There it goes. Gone. Please send another phone. I don't get my calls. I don't get my messages. I've had the phone, what, 3 days now? Okay, thanks.